I think what's going on nowadays is people are beginning to realize how important chewing is, their teeth are, their nutrition. In order to gain the type of nutrition we want, we have to be able to chew properly and whatnot. There's a whole generation now that's coming in that's a lot more aware of that and how important it is. From the standpoint of being able to put an investment into something that's going to last you a long time, and the investment in your own health, rather than just looking at a dollar amount. And it's absolutely true. If we look at our discretionary spending and all the other things, we have to have the 55-inch screen. We have to have the this and that. Every room has to have a plasma screen in case other people come in or the kids want to watch this and that. Well, that's all fine. But should that be at the expense of not having, really good dentistry done? And it's sad to see how far sometimes patients will let things go. But then when they come in, they realize there's a tremendous amount of work that's necessary, and it's scary to them. And some of those things, if we saw it ahead of time and we did some things ahead of time, they wouldn't have had to end up like that. But yes, implants, I think the concept of an investment is different in how people think about dentistry. But investing is probably a good way of looking at it.